In this short video, I will show you how to use zero-touch logging. This trip logbook feature works with any of the automatic trip triggers. First, we will create two places. We'll create the first place at your current location. Add a name for this place and select the place type. Tap the Address Lookup button to retrieve the address for this place. Edit the address if required. Save the place. Now, let's create the second place. We will assume this is at one of our client locations. Search for the client location by entering the address. Tap on the address search result. The map will be positioned at that location. Add a name for this place and select the place type. Tap the Address Lookup button to retrieve the address for this place. If required, you can edit the address. Save the place. Now, we will create the route attributes using these two places. Select the first place. Select the second place. Add the trip reason you would like to use whenever you travel between these two places. Now, specify whether trips between these two places must be classified as business or private. Enter the distance between these two places. If you're unsure about the distance, you can look up the distance by using Google Maps. Save the route attribute. Let's see what happens when you travel between these two places. Because you're using one of the automatic trip triggers, a trip will be started automatically. Tap on the Trip in Progress button to view the map. The map can be used to monitor your trip tracking. Trip Logbook will detect that you are leaving the office. If you're using the Bluetooth trip trigger, the trip will be logged automatically when you disconnect from your vehicle's Bluetooth connection. Take a close look at the log trip. You will notice that all fields were accurately auto-completed. Review the trip details. If all is okay, tap Confirm. It is worth noting that you do not have to create all your places and route attributes manually. Here is an example of a new place we have traveled to. Because we have not created a place for the destination location, Trip Logbook automatically retrieved the address. Tap on the Create New Place button next to the address. Create the place. Save the place. We have just created a refueling location. Edit the trip details. Take note of the trip reason and trip type we specify here. This was a refuel trip, so while we're updating the trip details, we'll add the refuel cost and fuel quantity. Save the trip. Now, let's take a look at the new place and route attribute that was created. Here's the place for the refueling location. Here's the route attribute that was created automatically when the trip was saved. Notice the trip type and reason. The next time I travel between this client and the refueling location, my trip will be auto-logged, and all fields will be accurately completed.